In the first video, we talked about demand forecasting, safety stock, and EOQ, how these three techniques individually can help you with optimizing inventory. If you have not seen the first video, there should be a card appearing above me. You can go to it now or wait at the end of this video. As we continue our path on discovering 7 key aspects in optimizing inventory, we will discuss the impact of just-in-time, JIT, methodology, ABC analysis, and inventory turnover in respect to inventory optimization. Let's get into it now. JIT is a strategy where inventory is ordered and received just before it is needed in the production process or to fulfill customer orders. It aims to reduce holding costs and eliminate excess inventory. JIT is a lean inventory management strategy. In the quest for operational excellence, businesses often face the challenge of efficiently managing their inventory. One strategy that stands out in inventory optimization is the just-in-time JIT approach. Let's explore the principles of JIT and how it actively revolutionizes inventory management. The core principles of JIT: 1. Demand-driven. JIT actively aligns inventory levels with actual demand. We can actively anticipate demand fluctuations and adjust inventory levels by constantly monitoring customer orders and market trends. 2. Waste reduction. JIT actively targets waste in excess inventory and unnecessary storage costs. By eliminating waste, we actively free up capital and resources that can be utilized elsewhere in the business. 3. Continuous improvement. JIT emphasizes a culture of continuous improvement. Teams actively collaborate to identify and resolve inefficiencies in the supply chain, fostering a proactive approach to inventory management. 4. Reliable suppliers. JIT relies on dependable suppliers to meet our immediate needs. Maintaining strong supplier relationships ensures a steady flow of goods, reducing the risk of production delays. Benefits of JIT include: 1. Reduced costs. By actively keeping inventory levels lean, JIT minimizes holding costs and frees up capital for investment in other business areas. 2. Enhanced efficiency. JIT actively streamlines the supply chain, reducing lead times and improving production processes, resulting in faster order fulfillment. 3. Improved quality control. With JIT, we actively inspect incoming materials and more frequently identify potential defects early in the process in ensuring superior product quality. 4. Flexibility and responsiveness. JIT enables us to adapt to market changes quickly, whether accommodating shifting customer demands or responding to unforeseen disruptions. JIT keeps us agile and responsive. Just in time is a potent inventory optimization strategy that enhances efficiency and reduces costs. By focusing on demand-driven principles, waste reduction, and continuous improvement, we can optimize our inventory management, improve customer satisfaction, and position our business for sustained success in a competitive marketplace. Embracing JIT empowers us to achieve operational excellence and unlock the full potential of our business. In inventory management, striking the right balance between cost efficiency and customer satisfaction can be daunting. Thankfully, ABC analysis, a powerful technique, comes to the rescue. Let's dive into ABC analysis and its active role in optimizing inventory management. What is ABC analysis?
ABC analysis is a method used to categorize inventory items based on their value and usage. The technique classifies items into three categories, A, B, and C, allowing businesses to prioritize their inventory management efforts more effectively. The key components of ABC analysis are category A, high volume value items. These are the most critical items that generate substantial revenue. Managing category A items ensures a steady cash flow and interrupted production. Category B, moderate volume value items. These items hold moderate importance regarding volume and revenue. They require active attention to maintain a healthy inventory balance. Category C, low volume value items. These items generate minimal revenue. While they may not significantly impact profitability, actively monitoring category C items ensures efficient use of resources. The active role of ABC analysis in inventory optimization. 1. Resource allocation. By actively categorizing inventory items based on their value, we can allocate resources wisely. Category A items require greater focus and frequent inventory checks to avoid stockouts, while category C items can be managed more passively. 2. Demand forecasting. ABC analysis actively influences demand forecasting. Accurate predictions of demand for category A items are essential to avoid production delays and maintain customer satisfaction. 3. Inventory turnover. Implementing ABC analysis actively improves inventory turnover. By prioritizing to high volume items, we can ensure a more fluid flow of goods and reduce the risk of overstocking. 4. Optimal stock levels. ABC analysis aids in setting optimal stock levels. Category A items typically have higher safety stock quantities to prevent stockouts, while category C items can have leaner stock levels to save storage costs. Benefits of ABC analysis. Strategic focus. By actively categorizing inventory items, we can prioritize our efforts, channeling resources where they are most needed for maximum impact. Efficient resource management. ABC analysis actively allows us to optimize resource allocation, ensuring efficient use of time, money, and manpower. Improve customer service. With an active focus on high value items, we can consistently meet customer demands, fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. ABC analysis is a valuable tool in inventory optimization. By actively categorizing inventory items and applying strategic management principles, we can achieve cost efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive our business toward long-term success. Embracing ABC analysis empowers us to make smarter decisions and evaluate our inventory management practices to new heights. Managing inventory efficiently is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. One essential metric that actively drives inventory optimization is the inventory turnover ratio. Let's talk about the significance of the inventory turnover ratio and how it plays an active role in streamlining inventory management process. So what is inventory turnover ratio? The inventory turnover ratio is a performance metric that actively measures how quickly a company sells and replaces its inventory over a specific time, typically a year. It assesses the efficiency of inventory management by quantifying the number of times inventory is sold and replenished, calculating inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio equals cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Use the trailing 12 months or cost of goods sold and average inventory. The components of inventory turnover ratio, cost of goods sold. This includes the direct materials of producing or purchasing of goods sold during the designated period. Average inventory. Active calculations involve summing the beginning and ending inventory for a specific period and then dividing by 2. What is the active role of inventory turnover ratio and inventory optimization? Efficient inventory management. A high inventory turnover ratio indicates that inventory is sold quickly and there is a minimal excess stock. This allows businesses to keep leaner inventories, reducing holding costs and freeing up capital for other investments. Demand forecasting. The inventory turnover rate actively provides valuable insights into demand patterns. Businesses can make more accurate predictions by analyzing the ratio over time, ensuring optimal stock levels and avoiding stockouts. Identifying slow-moving items. A low inventory turnover ratio indicates slow-moving items that might tie up valuable resources. Businesses can streamline inventory and improve efficiency by identifying and addressing these items. Evaluating sales and marketing strategies. Active fluctuations in the inventory turnover ratio can indicate changes in the effectiveness of sales and marketing strategies. This provides valuable feedback for refining sales approaches and product promotions. What are the benefits of inventory turnover ratio? Cost optimization. An actively improved inventory turnover ratio leads to reducing holding costs, positively impacting the company's bottom line. Increased efficiency. Active focus on maintaining a healthy inventory turnover ratio fosters a more efficient inventory management process. Enhance customer satisfaction. A higher inventory turnover ratio ensures customers receive products promptly, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. The inventory turnover ratio is a key performance metric that actively guides businesses in optimizing inventory management. By actively analyzing this ratio, businesses can identify areas for improvement, maintain different stock levels, and ultimately thrive in the competitive marketplace. Embracing the power of inventory turnover ratio empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions and actively elevate their inventory optimization strategies. This marks the end of part 2 of the mini course on mastering inventory optimization, where we covered JIT, just in time, ABC analysis, and inventory turnover. Part 3 of the mini course on mastering inventory optimization will discuss inventory tracking systems and a general wrap up of the mini course on mastering inventory optimization. Stay tuned.